I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your to-do list app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notification reminder here. So then you come to this list and you click here on Snooze the task reminder. You click on it and you come to this list. You come here to Snooze the task reminder. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That means Snooze the task reminder enable with us now. And here can you choose Snooze after here in this list. That's all you have to do. I wish you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.